Someone had sewn a duck's bill onto a beaver's body. They were wrong. The platypus is real, and it is perhaps the most impossible creature ever to exist. It has a beaver tail, duck bill. It hunts underwater with its eyes closed, using its bill to detect the electrical fields produced by the muscles of its prey, invisible, undetectable by any other means, and its bill contains more nerve endings than a human hand. A creature so extraordinary that when scientists first saw it, they refused to believe it was real. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان